RV. It's a beautiful day here in Sandy, Oregon. We're just outside of Portland if you're looking at the map. And we specialize in premium pre-owned motorhomes and RVs here at the dealership. This is a great example of one of those. This is a 2018 Leisure Travel Unity, their Murphy bed floor plan. And of course, if you haven't seen a Leisure Travel in person, it's really important. I hope you get a chance to come and see this one. They make a real high quality product, and it shows all the way around. It's beautifully done. This is the color called white suede. If you're looking at colors, kind of a nice neutral tone, but very warm. You've got excellent storage around the perimeter at the bottom. And you also have great cargo storage here at the back. You've got adjustable, you've got some shelves you can take in and out. We've got our hubcaps in there. But beautifully designed, curved walls, vacuum bonded walls, which we find is probably one of the better ways to construct these vans. And of course, when you step in, you immediately can tell the quality of the coach. This is the cherry interior with the sand ultra leather. They use only the finest Japanese ultra leathers, actually more expensive than true leather, and beautiful. They keep you cool in the summertime and warmer in the wintertime. Again, cherry finishes throughout, hardwood finishing on the cabinetry, Corian countertops all the way through, thematically through the kitchen, the entertainment area, and the bathroom at the back. This floor plan has a Murphy bed which comes out of the slide, drops down. You can walk around the bed when the bed's down, but it allows you to have all this living space, about 25 feet overall length, mostly living space. The front seats turned around, they become part of this. And then of course you have the largest bathroom in its class. You step back in here, you'll feel like you're in a bathroom on a Class A motorhome. Nice big shower, plenty of space. This room is designed so that you can go back into the bathroom area, get changed, hair and makeup, that sort of thing, shower, all that. When you're done, come on out into the living area. It's not all in the same area, so that's kind of nice. Great floor plan, Leisure Travel. Hey, helping me behind the camera today is Ben Maddox, so you can either call and ask for me, Rod, or Ben. We'd love to tell you more details about this 2018 Leisure Travel Unity Murphy bed. Give us a call.